supporting my local farmers and knowing where I'm getting my food or my arts and crafts from, you know, anything local, it just gives me like so much like happiness. Like it's not just consuming food that's like ready to eat and hasn't been sitting in a truck for days and a grocery store for more days than that as well. It's just like the excitement of like I've actually helped someone that I know or I can get to know, and keeping those people close during times of economic fear, you know, unsteadiness is so essential because you know your neighbor. You're never gonna starve.
We're with Kendra McFarland from Vibrant Okanagan,
yes.
Concierge and Cleaning Service.
Yes.
And we're here to talk about an exciting collaboration we've got going on with the Wild Food Box. And Kendra's team is going to be sanitizing all of our boxes and making sure that everything is clean for our curbside service and pickup location.
It's exciting. It's always changing because we've had to adapt what we do. Usually we clean, but with all this going on, we have to clean and also sanitize the best we can, right? So it's exciting because so many people are needing our help right now, more than ever before. So we've been able to expand and really help more people because of this opportunity. So the benefit of being in a community like Kelowna is that there's so many small business owners, and a lot of these business owners have noticed that to get through this situation, we have to combine together, to collaborate, to support, to have the proper resources, considering world resources have been running out, to help each other move through. All these farmers who are producing, and this is how much we are supporting them. So with the Wild Food Box, like there's so much we can do and up higher to support our community and our delicious, ripe fruits. We as consumers to support small business right now is to reach out to the people you have heard that have farms. Reach out to people who you know in the community who have local businesses happening, because those are the people that are needing our support right now, and those are the people that are going to add back to the community for all different kinds of reasons, economically, but also because of the future of your own health. You want to be purchasing good products from people you know within your community, your neighbors. Support that I can use from the community right now is awareness. That is so silly, but it is true. We are in this together, but we have so many different people in different situations. So the more we can share each other's stories, the more we can be transparent with our journeys, the more we can evolve and transform with this potential opportunity is the only way I feel that we can rise above to support each other during this. And you're taking control a little more of your future by supporting local. Being accountable for where you put your money right now in this interesting time is extremely important because there's not as much to go around lately, it seems. So therefore, you have to be selective where you put that money to contribute to your community. Know that you are essential. There's a sheet that tells you if you're essential or not, but you are essential. You are creating so much for yourself and your family. You are essential. Even if you got laid off from your job, you are still essential. Please go out and find ways to support your community because your community needs you right now.